Each get 3. Which 3 do you want?
This.
Okay, you pick 3. Ian pick 3. Ian, you pick 3 trains. Ian, what 3 trains do you get? Do you want? Okay. And then Reese gets to pick 2 more.
Pick 2 more, Reese. Can you pick Hashima or Ashima?
He's doing. So I can catch him. You can catch him.
Okay. You keep an eye on Lorenzo, Reese. Push the button. Thank you.
Yes.
Oh,
Oh no!
oh, push the button and then.
Mine. This says movie video.
Oh, push the button again.
Let's do this way.
No, you can't go that way. Reese.
Reese, can you help Thomas, Reese? He's struggling.
Can you?
I love Lorenzo.
Mommy. Mommy.
Can you put those cameras back in the truck? Come on. You're asking for help, Thomas and friends. Ashima. There's fire truck. Oh no. What happened now? Here comes Percy. Is this Percy? What is this? Oh, what's his name? I don't know what's his name. This one is. Can you find Lorenzo? Where's Lorenzo? Oh, there's Ashima right here. Where's Ashima? No, I don't know. I don't know how to translate it in English. There's Lorenzo Thomas.
Oh, yeah. Give me time. Give me a minute.
Okay, there's one Thomas in the corner. Go get it. Oh, what's her name? Their name is Gina. Here comes Percy. Oops. Here comes Rebecca.